www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte. So then you have to come to this website. After that you can see here search button, so click on and type your motherboard model number, which is H810MH, and hit enter. Then click to product. You can see 810 to click. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you are using different operating system, means I am making video on Windows 11, but you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You can guide, watch this video and install one by one, same installation process. Okay. VGA, and click to download. Then click this VGA driver, and just double click to exe file. Then click to yes. Now you can see graphic card driver is installing. Then it is done, and close it.